What are we up to, Billy?
I don't know, bro. Off to Hamilton, I guess, Cambridge.
Off to Hamilton, off on a mission.
See how we go.
Always good when the trailer's on the back.
See what we've got to offer, eh?
See what our treasures we bring home. We're off. Under the car. Got strops out.
Found out it's got a locked diff.
Found out it's got a locked diff. So found out the brakes are pretty seized. Should have guessed with the price we paid, but is what it is. Just having to try and send it. The RX8 on, and yeah, so bit of a mission. We had to hit it with the quad bike. Sorry, the video's a little bit blurry. It's the middle of the night now. Quad biked it onto the back of the trailer. The previous owners, mum and dad, give us a hand, which was awesome. They were really cool people. And usual suspects turned up from Tauranga, Marsh. So what are we doing now, bro? What's the plan? We're pulling the motor out of the gas station. That's what we're doing. What do you reckon, Billy?
Come all this way, bro.
May as well. All right. So there you go. This is what we do on a weeknight. Just silly stuff. Middle of winter, 2 degrees, on a farm, middle of nowhere. There you go. Well, it's about 7:30 at night. Yeah, man, we got that RX8 on the trailer, which is absolutely mint. And yeah, we're just sitting outside the Z station, about to jump out to pull the motor out of it. So yeah, gonna pull the motor out. Same day we bought it. Marsh has rolled over from Tauranga. So yeah, here we go, about to rip it out. Let's get it. And if you're wondering how I grew dreads so fast, you know, it's just a rotary thing. Buy a rotor, grow some dreads. That's what happens.
Half the if we get that off, it'd be even easier, but that's a bitch. Okay.
Well, should we just go to Gaz's?
Nah, bro. But
do it here?
We'll be halfway there, and this is already out.
Okay. Fun and games begin. Z station. Bolts are coming off, progress is made.
There's the light when you need it.
Starting to get there.
Push down, get it down behind that line. Down there.
13B's coming out, thanks to Marsh.
You get it?
Yep.
Here goes the big bolt.
Alright, bell housing one's two then. See, we sound professional.
What's the mood, boys? It's fighting us, eh?
Been a bitch.
Been a bitch. We've been out here for 54 minutes now. Marsh said half an hour.
Have you got like a release spinner?
Yeah, let me just try and be as rough as I can possibly be. Would you look at that? Now we can actually see some stuff. One rebuilt rotary that's about to be rebuilt again. One called Billy.
It's all with the course.
Just about out, just about out. There you have it, boys. Rotary out on the back of the trailer outside a petrol station
In the middle of fucking town.
in the middle of Cambridge in the freezing cold. And there's the motor off to get rebuilt.
There's the biggest one.
Got it stripped down. everything out. Took the gearbox out, motors out, clutch assembly. She's off ready for a new owner. Shaw NZ's picking it up. They just want it for the chassis to put a roll cage in it for the RX8 race series. So he's turning up soon to take the wheels off, put some rollers on it, and yeah, to have a roll cage in it shortly. So there goes the RX8. It obviously did what it needed to do. Gave us the driveline and transplant for Billy's BMW. Can't wait to get that in. It's going to be a really cool project.